फिट रहना उतना मुश्किल काम नहीं है जितना कुछ लोगों को लगता है। फिटनेस की डोज आधा घंटा रोज। इस मंत्र में सभी का स्वास्थ्य, सभी का सुख छिपा हुआ है।
Namaste. This is Vanita Ashok here. Welcome to YouTube channel. This is from Fit India and ये है Fit India YouTube channel for Fit India Active Day Session. मैं हूँ बुकी कोच वनिता अशोक and आज का टॉपिक है पार्टनर फन फिटनेस। वर्कआउट के लिए खाली एक बॉल चाहिए। अगर बॉल नहीं है तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, एक न्यूज़पेपर शीट ले लीजिए, ठीक है? यहीं पे है, दिखा देते हैं। ओके, यू डोंट हैव अ बॉल, इट्स ओके। एक न्यूज़पेपर ऐसे शीट लेके क्रम्पल कर दीजिए, ये भी बन जाएगा बॉल। ओके, so you have an excuse, I have an exercise, मैं हूँ इसका एक्सपर्ट एंड और हम सोच रहे हैं कि ये बॉल को और बड़ा कर दें। ऑलराइट, इन केस वी नीड टू शो यू एन ऑप्शन, तो हम ऐसे कर देंगे। एक हमने बॉल बना दिया तो दूसरा ले लीजिए एंड make a nice sturdy ball. इसका वजन बढ़ गया, इसका वजन बढ़ गया। आपका भी वजन बढ़ रहा है, हाँ, तो आपको एक्सरसाइज करना ही पड़ता है। You're young or old, you need to exercise. Exercise क्यों करना है? One, for improved blood circulation and increase oxygen into your brain, and to burn calories and to remove stiffness from your joints and muscles. Very, very important. So exercise cannot be skipped. तो जो भी है, बच्चे हैं, बड़े हैं, बूढ़े, बुजुर्ग, I mean, old people are there, senior citizens are there. Everybody should exercise. No escaping exercise. So I want everybody to stand up. Everybody to stand up and keep walking. Keep walking. अभी टाइम है, right? So fitness tracker पहले से documentation हो जाता है number of steps का. So please, elders in the house, please buy a fitness tracker. Wear it. All of you are doing less than 2,000. Even if you're doing घर का काम, okay, ladies, घर का काम हो रहा है, work from home हो रहा है, बच्चों को देखभाल कर रहे हो, but फिर भी आपका number of steps बहुत कम है. So the number of steps that we require per day is 6,000 minimum. Okay, up to 10,000 is fine. But वो जो minimum 6,000 करना है, वो भी नहीं कर रहे. तो एक फिटनेस ट्रैकर से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कितनी स्टेप्स ले रहे हो आप. अगर कम ले रहे हैं तो आप इतने स्टेप्स ले सकते हो. You can get up and start moving. Guys, you have to document your movements, okay? The only way to be accountable is to buy a fitness tracker. So I have a paper ball. Instead of, if you don't have a regular handball, doesn't matter. You can do the same exercise with a newspaper, which is bundled up like this. So I have Pooja with me here. Pooja, can you come here? Pooja is also set today to show you exercises that we can do as partners. Pooja is my assistant and she is looking forward to train you guys too. Pooja हमारी assistant है and हम दोनों मिलके एक partner exercise कैसे कर सकते हैं हम बता देंगे. इससे पहले वार्म अप करना चाहिए हमको एंड और ये भी बता दें, हम आप पेरेंट्स के साथ खेल सकते हो, नहीं तो आपके घर में कजिन्स है. पूजा मार्च इन प्लेस, मार्च 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 मार्च. Come this way, Pooja. Go, go, go. I want a good warm up. Shoe पहने हो? Are you wearing your shoes? Shoes is a must. Shoes is a must. Please wear your shoes. Shoes पहन लीजिए. Good. Very good. Let go. Move your hands, Pooja. Very good. This warm up is good. Okay. Important. Very good. 30 seconds more. Fast. Move your hands like as though you're running. Yes. Good. 5 seconds. Good. And stop. Pooja, right leg. Change. Left. Good. Give your hand here. Yeah. Let's go. 1. Change. 2. Change. 3. Change. 4. Change. 5. Change. 6. Change. 7. Change. 8. Change. 8. Change. 7. Change. 6. change, warm up, 5, change, 4, change, 3, change, 2, change, last time, down. Pooja will go forward, come back. So we'll do the same thing and go forward. Are you ready for that? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, back. 1, change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, back. Good. Now, Pooja, we'll take it to the side. Okay, side, go. Tap, center, change, center. You're working on coordination. Come on, guys, go. 1, center, 2, center, 3, center. Make it faster. Tempo. Change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, change, 5, change, 6, change, 7, change, 8, down. Now with the hand. Okay, Pooja? All right. Right hand, right leg. Put on the floor, change. Ready, guys? Let's go faster. Ready after this. Change, Pooja. Okay, bring it to the center every time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, change, 2, change, 3, change, 4, change, 5, change, 6, change, 7, change, 8, change, 1, last time, and down. This time, travel, we're warming up, okay? We're warming up and using a coordination-based movement. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, travel, 2, change, 3, back, 1, change, 2, one more time, go, 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 back, go, 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 and back, okay? Pooja doesn't do coordination workout, she does walking and yoga, alright? This coordination to your hair, this is from structured aerobics, so it is really challenging. So one more challenging warm-up move for you, alright? And for Pooja, both of you guys, okay? Watch me, Pooja. Hand here. Take your leg forward, tap. Bring it to the center, side. Back, go. Forward, center, center, side. Center. Forward, center, side, center. 1, 2, 1, 2. Come forward, let them see us. The left leg. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, center, side, center. Forward, center, side, center. Forward, center, side, center. ये तो आसान था. इसको और challenging बना देंगे. ठीक है? Hands, with the hands. Forward, center, side, center. Forward, center, side, center. Forward, center, side, center. Hands and legs together. I'm going to challenge Pooja. Pooja, can you do that? All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Come on. Coordination. How are you doing, kids? My rock stars. Okay? All right. Pooja, try this side now. Try left leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, side. Forward, side. Forward, side. Forward, side. I'm going to add a challenge for this one. Same thing. Okay? This was easy. Okay? Predictable. So I'm going to make a change. When you put your leg front, hands will be side. Okay? Ready? Go. Yeah, let's go. Come on, guys. You can do it. Coordination. Okay? It required your mental presence and agility. All right? We'll repeat it on the other side. Balance it. And get ready for the fun games. Okay, Pooja? When your leg is out here, hand should be here. Okay? Bring it back. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. All right, how did you all do? Good? Did you try it out with your parents? Okay? It's a healthy competition. So are you ready for the games? The first one, we need a ball for this. So before that, I'll get you familiar with the exercise. All right? Pooja, get into a plank. So this is the plank. Come on, guys, plank. Can you do that, Pooja? Okay, it's a plank. See the plank. Okay. So Pooja, stay with the plank. You can do this also. You can do this. Here. Yeah. So parents or anybody else who cannot do this long liver plank will do a short liver plank. Okay? Or if you feel you can't put one knee down, Pooja, put one knee down. This is also okay. This is also okay. I've given you modifications. ये modifications ले लीजिए. ठीक है? तो आपके फिटनेस लेवल के हिसाब से आपको वर्कआउट करना चाहिए. ये है बेसिक लेवल एंड ये Pooja लिफ्ट योर लिया. ये है दूसरी लेवल एंड द लास्ट वन इज दिस वन. ओके, वेरी चैलेंजिंग. तो आपको जो भी चाहिए ए लेवल ले लीजिए. अगर आपको नी प्रॉब्लम है तो नीचे एक मैट लगा दीजिए. तो एक्सरसाइज दोनों को करना पड़ता है. ये है प्लैंक, हमने दिखा दिया है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ स्क्वाट. अब हम जब भी आपको स्क्वाट करने को बोलते हैं, आई वांट यू टू पुश योर हिप बैक. ओके, नीज आगे नहीं आना चाहिए. नीज शुड बी बियॉन्ड योर टोज. ओके, बियॉन्ड योर एंकल और एज मच एज योर एंकल. ऐसे बस. नी शुड बी इन द फ्रंट. यस. ओके, डू नमस्ते. Namaste. Yeah, hold it. Hold it. Put your turn. Very good. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, down. So this is a lower body workout. Okay, अभी गेम शुरू नहीं हुआ है. Okay, जैसे हम एक स्क्वाट कर रहे हैं और एक इनविजिबल चेयर में बिठा देंगे आपको. Very challenging. Who has never done this? तो इसके लिए एक चैलेंज है. इनविजिबल चेयर. यहाँ पे चेयर है, नहीं दिख रहा है, इनविजिबल है. तो क्रॉस योर राइट लेग एंड सिट ऑन द चेयर आराम से. हाँ, और बताइए क्या हालचाल है? बैलेंस. That's okay. She's never done that. Good. It's a very good lower body workout. Change your leg. Balance करना है. Change कर लीजिए. Good. You can do a namaste. Yes. Be tall. Good. Competition. No dancing. Okay, even if you're dancing, stabilization होना चाहिए. Okay, good. So one more invisible chair का move है. Feet hip width apart. Just lower. हाँ, जैसे ऐसे दिख रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है आपको हम चेयर पे बैठे हैं, बट चेयर पे नहीं बैठे हैं, है ना? Good. No chair. Invisible chair. हाँ, very good. Working on your lower body. So you can have a competition like this also. Who stays for a long time on an invisible chair? ये तो basic रहा and this is advanced. Choose. आप options choose कर लीजिए. हम options दे रहे हैं. तो ये है हमारा पहला workout. So ready? पूजा? आप देख लीजिए. I'm going to get into a plank. Okay? Come on, Pooja. Change your hands. I'm going to change my hands. People who are doing plank, change your hands. Go. Ha. Okay? Maintain the plank. Good. Now, change. You turn that side. So, I am going to squat. Okay? Come on, Pooja. Good. She will be using alternate hands and I will be using both the hands. Come on. Good. Woohoo! Who can squat like this? You can. Last one, Pooja. And down. Good. You can do this for about 1 minute or 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay? In 30 seconds, how many push did you do? Or did you give up? आप बीच में रुक गए, right? तो आप loser हैं. 1 point कम हो जाएगा आपका. All right. Okay. So the next one, we don't need the ball and we keep it here. All right, Pooja. Face me. One leg. ये है balance workout. Okay? Whenever you do balance workout, जैसे हमारा योगा में है single leg workouts. Okay? Single leg workouts. This will, strengthen the central nervous system. Very good for children, especially. Okay. So just here, that's it. Okay? Here. At ankle to ankle. So now we're going to squat. Hold on, Pooja. If you have knee problem, parents, don't do it. Okay, it will hurt you. Don't do that. Others can do it. Okay, here let's go. Squat. 1, 2, 3, balance. 4, 5, very good, Pooja. 6, 7, 8, rotate. 1, Working your upper body also. Only one side. Okay, come on. Only one side. Center. Go. Only center. That's it. That's it. Hold it. Yeah. 2. Center. 3. Center. Yeah. 4. Center. Look at the balance getting challenged. And down. Okay. All right. The other leg. Okay. Ready? Squat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rotation. That's it. That's it. Come this way. 1. Puja wants to do full. 2. Go. 3. Go. Okay. Puja out. Puja out. So one more time. Okay. Shall we do this one more time? Let's go. Right leg. Whoever drops first, out. So I have 1 point. Puja has no points. All right. Let's go. Now 4 counts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. You can do half or you can do full circle. Let's go. The left one. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. That's it. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. She made it. Woo. Okay. This was neutral. So how are you feeling, guys? Right. And I also would like to thank all the CDSC and CISCE boards and all the other boards across India for participating here and offering this program initiative, which is made for school children by Fit India Movement for their students. It shows how much you care about sports and how much you have understood it is important to make children exercise wherever they are. And I am happy to be here as a Goki coach on Fit India YouTube channel to show you these exercises. Okay, the next one. What do I have for you? Okay, turn, Puja. Turn, 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 turn. Sit down. Sit down. This is the third exercise. Okay, we're going to get up. Puja has never tried this. Lock my hand, lock my hand. Okay, yeah. Okay, you're going to get up. Press, press against me. Yeah, come on, come on. Yes. Okay, let us see who will get up. Yes, Puja got up. Come on, Puja, get up. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's one of the games. It is lots of fun. Try it. Okay. So I was making Puja feel happy by allowing her to get up. Okay, the actual exercise is like this. Puja squat. Okay. Here, this one. Okay, get up. Little bit. Okay, yeah. Get into a wide squat. Wide, legs wide. Okay? Now run. Squat it. In place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quadriceps. You get engaged with your quadriceps. You can make the game like this also. Sit down. Get up. Stay in place. 8 and around 8. See how my heart rate went up? You know what my heart rate is? 133. हम थ्रेडमिल पे नहीं गए, रोड में वॉकिंग नहीं किया, जॉगिंग नहीं किया, इतनी ही जगह में हमारा हार्ट रेट है 133. Amazing, isn't it? Good. So let's go to the next exercise. And the next exercise is also based on a shuffle. अगर आप sports follow करते हो, you will see all the athletes do this shuffle. Okay? It's a part of their regime. It's a plyometric skill-based workout. तो ऐसे जाते हैं shuffle. Okay? Shuffle. Okay? Go. Shuffle. Good. Shuffle. Good. So you will see them practicing this drill. Alright? It's a very good workout. Works your outer thigh, inner thigh, and entire lower body. Majorly, these two muscles. Now, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? Alphabets लिखते हैं. So, Pooja, give me any alphabet. You give me any alphabet. P. P. P for Pooja. P. P. Okay? W. हमारा exercise तो ज़्यादा था. Okay? You give me one more letter, Pooja. Yes. S. Okay? I'm going S like this. Okay. T. Good. Give me one more letter, Pooja. R. R. Good. Okay. Now I'll give Pooja our last letter. Come back, Pooja. Z. Very good. Okay. हम दोनों साथ मिलके फिट इंडिया बना देते हैं. I want all my viewers out there to get fit, strong, healthy. No coronavirus. And immunity boost हो जाएगा. And आपका respiratory, system strong हो जाएगा. Right? From F. हम यहाँ से आगे जाते हैं. All right. F लिखने के लिए. Ready? Fit India. 5, 6, 7, go. F. Come back. Come back. I. Yeah. Big hand. Capital letters. Come to the left. Finish it. Good. T. 5, 6, 7, 8. T. Go to the left. Left. Other side. Back. Movement. Fit India. I. Come on. All right. No. I. Capital I. Okay. Go to the left, Pooja. 5, 6, 7. Go. I. Finish it. Come to the center. Forward. Left. Center. Side. Center. A ka I. Lots of workout. N. Go. Back. Very good. Forward. Dip. D. 5, 6, 7. Go. D. Good. और एक बड़ा I. Start from the left. 5, 6, 7. Go. I. Woo-hoo. Go. Left. Very good. Other side. And center. Last one. What is it, Pooja? A. Good. किसने बताया? Go forward. Complete it. Fit India. यहीं पे हो रहा है. And everybody, young or old, are getting fit on Fit India YouTube channel, and I'm so happy about it. Get Fit India is my mission, and I'm so happy this whole initiative had started. And I thank CPSE, CISCE, and all the state boards across India for this. Now 100 के बारे में बता दे. Now 100 is 135. कितने जगह लिया हमने? इतना ही जगह. कितने टाइम वर्कआउट किया हमने? 1 minute probably. That's it. And देखिए हमारा heart rate कितने ऊपर चले गए. Yeah. So I'm making my heart strong. Heart is a muscle. Okay. And my lung activity is also good. And बच्चे आप पढ़ रहे हैं ना? Online में there's an exchange of gases, right, between your heart and your lungs. So pure blood is getting pumped into your body. Oxygenated blood. Blood carries nutrients. It takes it to your brain also. It will improve your focus and concentration. So अभी parents जो हमने सिखाया था, you can any word memorize करने में आपके students बच्चों को problem हो रहा है. जैसे कि लेते हैं Paris, okay? Example Paris. उसको spelling में difficulty हो रहा है, तो ऐसे fun game सिखा दीजिए उसको. In all likelihood उसको याद रहेगा हमेशा के लिए, because ये activity को experience कर रहे हैं in a fun way. Alright? So इसको ऐसे सिखा सकते हैं, जो भी है spelling उसके साथ आप भी workout कर लीजिए and you get strong. So let's see what is the next exercise. Okay, ball throw moves. Alright, take a paper ball or this one, a regular ball. Okay, Pooja, you start. Okay, ये याद करना है, memory game है with fitness. Alright, let's go. Under and throw it to me. Yeah, I will do her move, my move, and throw. She will also do alternate. Then no, you have to add one more move. Yeah, her move, my move, her move, and back. My move, her move, and back. She has to do 4. 1, 2, 3, and she'll add one more. She'll add one more. High, okay, back. Her move, my move, her move, back. My move, I'm out, okay? Her move, then throw it up and go. Come on, Pooja. One, memory. Huh? Okay. Pooja missed it. Pooja lost. Okay, Pooja lost. A sequential order में मेमोराइज नहीं किया था, तो हम दिखाएंगे आपको हर मूव, माय मूव, ओके, हर मूव, my move, and then she did again a high throw. Then I did this. Now I'm adding one more. Pooja has to remember this. One. Yeah. Good. Yes. She's doing it. One more throw. Yeah. Then dance. Then yeah. Add one more. Oh yes. She got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High move. 6, 7, 8, and then okay, wait, I'm gonna change it, okay? I'm gonna sway it and then throw. That's my last move. Okay, 1, 2, throw the ball, very good. Switch, throw the ball, then okay, then yeah, put the ball down, yeah, then sway it. Yeah, do one more. One more. Yeah. Okay, now I have to remember everything. Add on here. 1, 2, small throw, then switch, big throw, then dance. Only your hips dance. Then what did she do? Jump. Okay, 1. Then we did a stride. Then she did this. Then I'm going to do this and give it to her. Last one. Okay? Let's see if Pooja can do it. Can she do it? Yeah? Yes? Good. Very good. Yes. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Yeah. Then I did this. And one more. So guys, that was fun. Parents, agree? Memory game. We all used to play memory games. Okay? It was an ingenious way of improving our memory. When we were kids, we used to play so many memory games. अब तो खत्म हो गया है सब, phone पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं. And I want you to get out of it, involve yourself, and make your children play these games. बहुत सारे fun games हैं, आपके लिए भी बहुत beneficial होगा. Fitness बढ़ेगा आपका, वजन भी कम होगा, कैलोरी भी बर्न हो जाएगा, आप fit and strong भी हो जाएगी. So there are so many benefits, and you're bonding, guys. You're bonding. All right, you're getting fit, strong, healthy, and improved blood circulation, no joint pain, and you're getting fit and strong. So who doesn't want to do this? It's very, very important. Ask me, as a mother, I would like to tell you, children grow and go away. They have no time for you in the future. Whatever time they're giving, spend it with them. And you will love to hear that, Mama, why? Papa, why? Mama, why? वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा जल्दी. Google गुरु के साथ चले जाएंगे उन लोग. And आपको पूछेंगे नहीं. So don't do that. Be available for your children and be there to answer them. Experience the parenting. Don't forget that. All right, Pooja. Feet. Last one. Okay. Here you're gonna push the ball. Working on upper body strength. Keep the legs straight. Yeah. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Feel your abs working, shoulders working, legs stretching. Push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. So height is also important. Height is also important. So if you are playing with your mama papa will have to increase the leg width. Okay? All right. Now single hand. No, turn this way. Yes. Extend. Push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Turn. Push. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Good. So this is strength training for your children's level. Good stretching for you. And it is a very good workout that anybody can do it with a ball. Or if you don't have a ball, even hand is okay. Hand to hand is also okay. So we'll show you one last exercise. One for the road. Okay? Jump, cross. Yes. Cross. Go back. No, not that much. Lesser. You're working on a lower body, stretching your hands. So squat. Go. Pooja, can you go back a little more? Yes, go. 2. I'm getting the stretch now. 3, 4, 5, 6. You're able to do full squat. 7, 8. Change. Go down. Go down. Take your hand back. And center. Go down. Opposite. Down. Go. We have to do it on the floor. Okay, can you squat and do that, Pooja? Squat. Opposite. Yes. Up. Squat. Up. Up. So you're there in the squat for some time. Up. Squat. Up. Up. And up. Good job, Pooja. Okay. Pooja doesn't do so much exercise like I told you. She does walking majorly and otherwise she does yoga. So her college has also signed up for some program and she gets yoga classes in a week twice. All right, walk around, bring your heart rate down. We're going to stretch. Come, Pooja, you need to stretch too. And my heart rate is at 121. Just do that squatting. Walk forward back, guys. Bring your heart rate down. Parents, thank you once again for being sensible and involved in your child's upbringing by introducing them to participate in this particular classes. So government has taken an initiative, school has taken an initiative. The most important step was for you to take the initiative. All right, your kids will be lazy, bored. No, I don't like it. Oh, it's so difficult. उसको सुनो मत. Okay, जो भी वो बोले, एक आवर का प्रोग्राम है, हाफ एन आवर का प्रोग्राम आपको करना ही चाहिए. You must tell them. Okay, it's for their own good. अब खाली उसको carrot and spinach खिलाते हो. It is good for you. Eat vegetables. Exercise भी करना ही चाहिए. बाहर तो हम नहीं जा सकते. तो बैठे बैठे अंदर इतनी ही जगह में बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेस आप कर सकते हो आपके बच्चों के साथ. Sit down. Just sit down. Stretches. Very important to stretch. Right leg. Reach it. Reach it. 10, 9, 8. Lift your head up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Shift. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and your lower body worked out, majorly today. Cross the right leg. Yeah, put that leg out. Yes, get your hands up, elongate, lengthen, and go down. Stretch. Start traveling with your hands. Lift your head up, Pooja. Very good. Down. And take this leg and put it at the back. Palms down, up, down. Sit, tall. Also parents, please check the Ayush app. There are so many things which is indigenous to us, Indians, and people abroad are following this, right? It's based on Ayurveda, and you should start getting your children familiar with these kind of things. Left hand up, reach it, drop it. So be Indian, be local, and embrace our culture, our tradition, our Ayurveda, our herbal treatments. All that is very important, and it should not break from this generation to next generation. होने का chances बहुत high है. Don't let it happen. Okay? Let us not hear it from others. Western countries follow कर रहा है, जैसे कि हल्दी, योगा और अभी तो अश्वगंधा, त्रिफला, ये सब वो लोग ले रहे हैं. तो यहाँ हम भी शुरू करने लगे हैं. But don't do that. तो हमारा है आयुष ऐप में बहुत सारे होममेड ट्रीटमेंट्स है, रेफर कर लीजिए. Good. Stretching is very important. Down, change. Hands down, lift yourself up, sit down. Tall. Good. Good. Bring your left leg forward. Right hand up, reach it, drop it, drop. Stay there, keep your back, the neck in line with your spine, back straight. Good. Butterfly. Tall. I want this extension in your hand, that nice stretch. The flexor, pelvic region, inner thigh, groin. Okay, all these are stretching. Good. Along with that, I want you to do one more Indian traditional posture. That is sitting cross-legged. sitting cross-legged. Every day I want you to practice with your children to sit on the floor cross-legged for at least half an hour. Make them to get into this habit. So they'll have very good joints, flexibility here. All right, very important. It is our part of our culture, and please make that happen. Only you can do it. Kids don't know anything, right? You have to teach them the right and the wrong. So one more habit which we are forgetting because of the Western toilet is this. Abhi, if you go to villages, people sit like this and talk for hours together. Okay, you don't have to do it for hours together. Please do it for 5 minutes along with your children. Push your upper arm into your inner thigh. Do a namaste here. It's the last stretch. Come on. Feel the stretch here. Feel it? Good. Fingertips on the floor. Raise yourself. Feel the nice stretch there. Good. We're going to stand up. Okay? Up. Legs straight now. Feel the nice stretch at the back. Nice stretch here. Now again, bend your knees. Puja, bend your knees. Get your hands at the back. And up. Good. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Namaste. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much.
And I hope you guys enjoyed and parents were motivated, inspired, and आपको इतना messages हमने दिया. Please follow. As a mother, I'm telling you, it is very important to do these activities. And all these kids of yours are our future generation. I want them to be healthy, fit, strong, and that will reflect on our nation. Right? Agree? Okay. So I'm going to sign off. I'm going to see you some other time. All right? And I have a tip for you. ये link जो है आप share कर सकते हो with your family members, WhatsApp groups, social media, wherever. But remember to tag Fit India, Movement, and Goki. I'm Goki Fitness Coach, Vanita Ashok, signing off. And it was lovely addressing you guys and showing you some possibilities of exercising in the house. And आप movement पूरे दिन करना चाहिए. Exercise तो half an hour to 1 hour कर लीजिए. And ठीक तरह से खाना, whatever आप जो खाते हो, it should be healthy because आपके बच्चे आपको follow करते हैं. So with this, I'm going to sign off. Jai Hind.